Hello students, let's read this question. Recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Prove that each chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their centers. So let's start the solution. So we write to recall a circle is a collection of points where every point is equidistant from its center. So we can say that two circles can be congruent only when the distance of each point of every point of both circles is equal from the center. Now for the second part of the question, we have given that AB is equals to CD, that is two equal chords. Now it is to be proved it is to be proven that the angle AOB is equals to angle COD. We have to prove this. So for that, let's start the proof. So first consider the triangles in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Here we can say that OA is equals to OC as well as OB is equals to OD. Since they are the radii of circle. Now we have also given that AB equals to CD. This is already given. Now, so we can say that therefore from side congruency condition, we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So by this we can say that by the property of corresponding parts of congruent triangle condition, we can say that angle AOB should be equals to angle COD. Hence proved. So, using the basic property of circle, we have proved that the equal chords of congruent circle subtend equal angles at their centers. So student, hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.